It's the first match of Group B about to begin. Narayan will take strike. Darshan will give him company at the non-striker's end. Vishal will bowl the first over for the DWC United. Starts off with a wide. First runs on the board for Amit Anekars. Another wide to follow. 2 runs already on the board. First delivery yet to be bowled. Taps it away nicely for a 1 declared. Narayan gets off the mark with a single. Bowls another wide. Slight misfield from the wicketkeeper. 5 runs have come off the first ball already, courtesy a few wides. Bowls a full toss. Doesn't concede anything more than a single. That brings Darshan on strike. Places it nicely for no runs. In the air, probably the first wicket is. So Vishal picks up the key wicket of Darshan, and Amit Anekar are 1 down for 6 runs. 4 ball हो गया शायद से. हाँ 4 ball. Last 2 deliveries of the first over. Rohit taps it away for a single. And Narayan completes the over with yet another single. At the end of the first over, Amit Anekar are 8 for 1. In look defending champions, na? In look defending champions, na Amit Anekar? United है defending champions. नहीं Amit Anekar. Last year. Sagar will bowl the second over. Rohit on strike. Starts off with a wide. Taps it away nicely for a single. Oh, that's almost well bowled. It's unfortunate that it's going to be called a wide. Missed the stump by a whisker. Place it nicely for another single. The Amit Anekars content with singles for the moment. In the air and 6. The first sign of aggression from the bat of Rohit. First 6 on the board for the Amit Anekars. That's a no ball. They'll take a single. They'll get 2 runs for this. Amit Hanekars move on to 20 for the loss of 1 wicket. Half the over still left.
Hello.
It's a full toss. But it's just a single. Last ball of the second over. In the air and wicket. Rohit departs. Thanekars are 2 down at the end of 2 overs. They've scored 21 for the loss of 2 wickets. In walks Parmesh. But Narayan will face the first ball of the power over, which is to be bowled by Govind. One ball, 1 run off the power over. Parmesh now on strike for the first time this match. Dot ball to follow. 1 run of 2 balls. He's edged it. They look for a single. Oh, the umpire raises his finger. He's given it out. The DWC United get a wicket and they restrict the Thanekars from making it double the score. So 3 runs and 1 run, that's the total of the power over so far. That was a risky single in any case. In the air, and what a catch that is. That's a fantastic catch to dismiss Yogesh. And suddenly the Amit Thanekars find themselves in some trouble. 22 for 4 after 2.4 overs. They're making a mess of this power over. Edges it for a single. Last ball of the power over. Parmesh on strike. He denies the single, rightfully so. There would probably have been another run out. At the end of 3 overs, the Thanekars are 22 for 4. Rishikesh will now bowl the 4th over. Gaurav on strike. That's powerfully struck down the ground. Interestingly, the single has been denied. Gaurav wants to keep strike. Powerfully struck once more, but this time he takes the single. Puts Parmesh on strike. Some really tight bowling from the United now. Bowls are wide. The Thanekars will need to get a few over the boundary to give themselves a competitive total. Consecutive wides now. Down the track, place along the ground. Good fielding overall, good cricket. Half the over done. 4 runs have come off this over so far. In the air, but falls in no man's land. Another single conceded. Two more deliveries of the over left. Down the track, in the air, falls safe. add one more single to the total. In the air, falls short of the fielder. 4 overs done. The Thanekars are 29 for 4. Last over of the innings. They'll need some boundaries to put a competitive total on the board. The defending champions, Amit Thanekars, need some boundaries to put a score on the board. Gets a full toss, whacks it powerfully. Dot ball to start off. Another full toss, tight single, completes it in the end. That's a wide. Keeps it low, takes the bye. In the air, but it's only another single. Score moves on to 33. 2 more deliveries left of this innings. This has been a good over for the United so far. Yorks one beats the batter. Last ball of the over. It takes another single and the Thanekars finish at 34 after their 5 overs. The United need 35 to win this match.
Check. Roshan, what do you reckon of this chase? Here, I'm here. Just concentrate on the voice. What do you reckon of the chase? What do you think will be the strategy for the Uniteds?
I think the game plan here would be very simple. Only 35 runs required of 5 overs. That's just about 7 runs an over. So they'll probably look to score most in singles with the occasional boundary.
Absolutely.
They might make sure that the power over goes without a wicket, so that even if they score 6 runs, that will add 12 to the total.
Absolutely.
But you never know. With some tight bowling, the Thanekars could very well be back in this game.
Absolutely. And more so, with the power over that we have as a part of the format, it's a very crucial over, which will decide the fate of the game. It depends completely on the power over. But however, as you rightly mentioned, it's a very small total to be chased. So I don't think there should be any issues with that.
I think the power over also sets the tempo of the match. Both sides look to capitalize on it. You see the best bowlers bowling it. You see batters trying to cash in, but at the same time not lose a wicket. So all in all, the power over brings forward some really best cricket out in among both the teams.
Very true.
Meanwhile, the second innings is underway and they start off with a boundary here. The DWC United, an excellent start for their chase. Bowls are wide. Next up, 5 runs have come already of the first ball. Now taps it gently for a single, Prasad.
Very sensible batting here by the batting side. They just need singles. And this is what happens when the bowling side is already at the pressure's end because they have a very less total which is put up on the board.
Rohit lets that one go for one declared. Some loopy, flighted deliveries from the bowler. That's had some turn, I think. It's a dot ball. 8 runs have come off this over so far. Oh, that's a stumping opportunity. Umpire shakes his head. Last ball of the first over. 8 runs have come off this over so far. At the end of 1 over, DWC United are 9 without loss.
So 26 runs are required of just 24 balls now. The run rate is literally below 6 runs per over. It's slightly above 6, my bad.
Prasad, they are well over the asking rate, which is only 7. They've already scored 9. All I think they look to do is just keep the wickets, cash in on the power over, and be done by the end of the 3rd over. That is what I think is going to happen here. But let's wait and watch.
Absolutely. I think the teams should also consider the NRR factor here because one team will be disqualified, eliminated, I mean, from this lot. So I think the net run rate is also going to play a very important role. So both the sides will have to focus on the net run rate as well.
Correct. In the meantime, DWC United have lost a wicket. They're 9 for 1 now at 1.2 overs. Vaibhav has brought the breakthrough. 26 needed of 22 deliveries now. Some discussion from the bowling side. Atharva is the new batter in. 3rd delivery of the 2nd over. That's a very wayward delivery. Well done by the keeper to not give away extra runs besides the wide. Taps it down nicely for 1 declared. Score moves on to double digits now. 10 for 1, 11 for 1. Whacks it nicely, but it's a dot delivery. I think what the Thanekars will look to do is get more dot deliveries in, maybe pick up a wicket or two and hope that pressure mounts.
I think the only key for the Thanekars is to get some quick wickets. That's the only way they can build pressure on the Uniteds.
Absolutely right. They're at 12 for 1 at 1.5 overs, but you don't see any of the United players under any kind of pressure here. In the air and 6. What a way to finish off the over. 2 overs are done and the DWC United are 18 for the loss of 1 wicket. 17 required of 18. It's brought to less than 6 an over now. And this is the all-important power over that we've been talking about all this while. Atharva on strike. Yogesh will bowl the first ball of the power over. And as you would expect, gently played away for the first runs of the first ball of the power over. Wide. Doesn't help the cause of the Thanekars. 2 runs have been scored of the first ball. Taps it away gently for another single. 3 runs of 2 balls. Plays it comfortably for yet another single. 4 runs of 3 balls.
I think the strategy is very clear here. They're just trying to take singles and finish the match. No
One
risks
declared.
have been taken. Just simple cricket. Just run a ball and they'll be home.
5 runs of the first 4 balls. Taps it for another single. Last ball of the power over. 6 runs have come off it so far.
Not to forget, these runs will be doubled. So the run rate will drastically drop after this over if they don't lose a wicket.
Almost edged it to the fielder. But 6 runs make it 12 runs for this over. And the DWC United finished their 3rd over scoring 30 runs. Just need 5 runs of the next 12 deliveries. Net run rate on the cards here now for the DWC United. They might look to finish things off in this very ball and make the most of the net run rate available. A word of advice, some rules being shared with the bowler here. He's perhaps bowling for the first time here. He has got 5 runs to defend. Starts off with a no ball. The over is yet to begin. Just 3 runs needed for United's first win of this year's DWC Premier League. Whacks it in the air. It will land safely. It's come down to 2 of 11 balls now. Both these batters have now started playing it in the air. The intent is clear. They want to finish it off at the earliest. Oh, is that a catch? Oh, what a catch that is. DWC United lose their first wicket. It's not going to trouble them one bit, but they are 33 for 2. In the air again, but lands safely. Scores a level. They just need 1 run to win. Wild appeal for a no ball that took a drastic turn. But all in all, the kind of result that the United were looking for. They start off their league stages with a victory. And the defending champions have lost the first match of their league stages.